Hey, what is going on, guys? We're back here with another video, and today what you're going to be watching is us trying to figure out Jeff's exhaust system on his truck, because his truck just goes muffler and it's done, unlike my truck where it's just catalytic then done. So we tried to figure out that mess, and then I'm just going to throw in some extra clips that we got from yesterday when I'm recording this, which is Friday the 8th. I don't know when this video will go up. It'll probably go up sometime later in the week. But yeah, so basically you're going to see just the mess that we went through finishing his exhaust, or attempting to, and then there'll be a video of finishing my exhaust, which we'll be doing on Sunday. So finally I'll have a complete exhaust system. But yeah, so I'll just cut you guys right to us messing around there.
Just don't full throttle it. Yeah, okay. Are you ready? I'm ready, yeah. Strap broke.
Oh, we spraying. Fuck is he going? Oh, that's a curb. Ow, shit. He's swinging. So we're over here at Jeff's garage, fixing up the Danger. Got the creeper and some exhaust fitments, so we can finish off his exhaust pipe, which ends right about. Oh, is that the muffler right there? It ends right about here. Ouch. Yeah. I don't know how that's gonna work actually. Jeff's going for the cold start before the pipes go on. And she's gonna die. Fucking A. After a third run to O'Reilly's, getting a 2-inch now because 2.5 wasn't right. We didn't really look, we just guessed.
Should've went with 2.5 anyways.
We're gonna clamp all this shit together and then throw it on under there, and we'll see how she purrs. Going back to O'Reilly's for the probably 5th time now, because they gypped us a piece on the clamp. So we'll be back when we're over there. We're back with our clamp this time, which is fully pieced, so that we can put this fucking exhaust together and throw it on this motherfucker.
Well, what? Under this, I think. What? Spare tire.
All the spare tires in the way?
Yeah.
Shit. That's an issue. We have come to the conclusion that we are wrong yet again, that his exhaust pipe is about 2 1/4. So we're gonna have to go and return all this yet again. Yeah, people at O'Reilly's hate us. If this isn't big dick status, I don't know what is. I can't squeeze in that. Jesus fuck. You already know we had to join my man over here. Big Axel flexing. We have no idea who this dude is, but his shit's down in there. He's just up on this fat ass hill, so I pulled up next to him. We're parked close as fuck. We got a little room. I got no room over here. But yeah.